Hi everyone, and welcome to another video of Remarkable Things. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a do-it-yourself surprise birthday card with confetti that'll pop out of it. So first you'll need a card. Here's a birthday card here, but you can really do it for any kind of occasion that you wish, like congratulating someone, thanking someone, they're graduating, anything that's a positive nature, you can put the confetti inside. So I'll show you how to do it. So here's a really cool birthday card that I have. It's got a cupcake on it. It says make a wish. So first you obviously want to write your message, who it's to, a heartfelt birthday wish, and you'll also want to write who it's from. Okay, so pretend that that's done, and you close the card, okay? And then you have your envelope here. So you get your envelope, and you put your card in the envelope. So put it inside and make sure that the open top, the part that opens, make sure it's at the top here. Alright, so you can see that there. So now you get your confetti. This is the fun part. So, yeah, I have some confetti here that's stars. So you put it in, but you can put as much as you want, as little as you want. But put a good amount. Don't put like 3 or something. Put a good amount. So what we'll do is, make sure it goes inside. See, you got some confetti in there. Alright, clean up this little mess. So now you close it and pretend that we're sealing it, okay? So you put it in the mail and then they get it. So say my friend who just got the gift, we'll do a reenactment of opening the card, okay? So open the card from the back, because that's where they're going to open it, most likely. And then pull it out. Oh, and this is backwards, so they're going to go like this. They're going to open it. And whoa, what a cool surprise. So they'll shout, cry of joy, being so touched, or might get a little bit mad because they got to clean all this up, depending how much you put and how much they like or dislike messes. But yeah, there's a great way to make your friend have a memorable birthday and to make sure that your card and your gift, if you also have a gift, that it stands out. Please comment in the comments below when you do it and how your friends like it, or even if they don't like it. Have an awesome, awesome, awesome birthday celebration for your friends. Bye.